Yo guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to install the Photorealistic Reshade mod for WWE 2K24. This mod makes your game look sharper, more cinematic, and way more realistic. The steps are quick and beginner friendly, so let's get started. Check my video description for this mod link. Just copy and paste it and press enter. Scroll down and go to files. Scroll down and select manual download option and select slow download option. If you already have an account, then log into this site. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register here option and create a new account. Then select login option. Now after login, select the slow download option and it will start downloading. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, this is the configuration settings. Now open up new tab and search Reshade. Select the official Reshade site and select OK and select the download option. Select the download Reshade with full add-on support. After the download done, click on it and install the Reshade. Select the OK option. Select the browse option and navigate to the game folder. After you are in the game folder, select the game application and select open option and select next. Select DirectX 10, 11, 12 and select next. And here select the browse option and navigate to the downloads folder and select the configuration file be downloaded. Select the file and select open option and then select the next option and select skip option and select finish. And now we have successfully installed the mod. Open the game. After you are in the game, you can able to see Reshade is installed successful. Press home key in your keyboard and select the continue option and select again continue and go to settings and effect toggle key, set a key you want. I'm gonna set it 1 and then go back to home and select continue. Select the finish option and select reload. And now as you can see, effects are disabled. Press the toggle key to turn on the effect. Right now this is after. To close this panel, you just need to press the home key and this is after results. We are going to before results. As you can see, this is before and 1 2 3 we are going to after results and this is after. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.